Hey everyone, it's Graham here. Let's talk about making money online. No tech wizardry required. The internet is a giant marketplace, and video creation is in huge demand. Businesses, creators, and social media all run on video. But most people think making videos is too hard or too technical. Here's the truth. With the right tool, you can create pro-level videos in minutes, even if you've never edited before. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about using smart tools to offer a real service. Imagine earning an extra $1,000 a month, paying off debt, saving, or just enjoying more freedom. The key? Start smart and start now. Today I'll show you how with a platform called InVideo.io. It's a game changer for beginners, making video creation simple and accessible. I'll break down how to use it and give you practical ways to make money. No fluff, just real steps you can take. Ready to explore a real path to earning online? Let's get into it. When I first looked for ways to make money online, I was overwhelmed by options and hype. Then a friend needed a quick, affordable video for his business. Traditional editing software was a nightmare, complicated and time-consuming. I almost gave up until I found InVideo. I tried their free trial, and within 30 minutes, I made a solid promo video. No tutorials needed. The drag-and-drop interface was intuitive and fast. My friend loved the video and wanted more. Suddenly I saw the demand. Small businesses and creators need videos but don't have the time or skills. InVideo made it easy for me to fill that gap. I didn't need expensive software or a film degree, just InVideo and a bit of effort. The lesson? Simple tools can unlock real opportunities. If I could do it, anyone can. The demand is real, and the barrier to entry is low. You just need to know where to look. Let's see how you can do the same. So what is InVideo.io? It's your online video creation assistant. No downloads, just your browser. It's built for beginners. Fast, easy, and accessible. Thousands of templates for YouTube ads, social media, and more. Just pick and customize. The drag-and-drop editor makes changes simple. Add text swap images or update music in seconds. Access millions of royalty-free stock images, clips, and music. No copyright headaches. Some plans even include AI text-to-video. Paste your script and it builds a video for you. The free plan lets you experiment and create videos for your first clients with zero upfront cost. Test the waters, build your skills, and upgrade only if you want more features. InVideo truly levels the playing field for new video creators. No tech skills, no problem, no budget, start free. It's never been easier to get started. Let's talk about how to turn this into real income. Here are 3 practical ways to earn $1,000 a month with InVideo. First, sell video services to local businesses. Restaurants, gyms, realtors, shops. They need engaging videos for social media and websites. Offer short promos or testimonials for $100, $300 each. Just 4 videos a month can hit your goal. Second, create faceless YouTube videos. Top 10 lists, reviews, or tutorials using stock footage and voiceovers. Monetize your own channel or offer editing services to other YouTubers. InVideo's templates and stock library make this fast and easy. Third, make short clips for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Businesses and influencers need a steady stream of these. Batch create packages, like 10 short videos for $200. 5 clients, and you're at $1,000. The demand is huge, and InVideo helps you deliver quickly. You don't need to be a pro, just consistent and creative. Start with one method or mix and match. The key is to take action and offer value. These are real, proven paths. People are doing this right now. Pick one and get started. Next, I'll show you just how easy it is to make a video. Let's dive in. Let's make a video with InVideo, step by step. Sign up at InVideo.io with the free plan. On the dashboard, choose templates for a quick start. Search for a template, like restaurant promo or product ad. Pick one, select the right aspect ratio, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and click Use this template. The editor opens, scenes on the left, preview in the middle. Click text to edit, swap images or clips from the stock library or upload your own. Change colors, fonts, and add music, all with simple clicks. Explore and experiment. There's an undo button if you need it. When you're happy, preview your video. Make final tweaks, then export and download. That's it, you've made a video. Your first few might take longer, but you'll get faster with practice. InVideo makes the process visual and stress-free. No technical headaches, just creativity. Try making a sample video today. You'll be surprised how easy it is. Now let's talk about landing your first clients. You've got the skills. Now how do you get paid? Start with your personal network. Friends and family, local businesses. Offer your first video or two for free or at a discount to build your portfolio. Use these as samples and ask for testimonials. Real-world projects give you confidence and credibility. Next, try freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Create a clear profile. I'll make a 30-second promo video for your business using InVideo. Set competitive prices, get reviews, and raise rates as you grow. Study top sellers for inspiration, but highlight your unique strengths, like speed or niche focus. Join local Facebook groups or business forums. Share video samples and offer your services. Be proactive and professional. Show the value of video. Even one good sample can open doors. The key is to get your name out there and show what you can do. You don't need a long resume, just results. You know what InVideo is, how to use it, and how to find clients. So what's stopping you? For most, it's fear of failing, of not being good enough. But every success story starts with action, not perfection. InVideo's free plan means zero risk. No big investment, no quitting your job. Start as a side hustle, learn as you go, and build your skills. The worst case, you learn something new. The best case, you create a real income stream. Don't overthink it, just start. Sign up, pick a template, and make a practice video today. Reach out to a local business or post your service online. Your first videos won't be perfect, but that's how you grow. The $1,000 month opportunity is real and more accessible than ever. But you have to take the first step. My challenge? Do one thing today. Sign up, watch a tutorial, or make a video. That small step could change everything. Your time is now. Stop dreaming. Start doing. You've got this.